Hello everybody, I've managed to look into this a little bit further, slow it down and sort it out. So I'll show you this. If you watch here in the top left hand corner, you'll start seeing an image appearing in the light shade. You just have to brighten it up. You see there, bit of a skull going on there. So that's that. Okay, you see there. So we're gonna have a look at this video footage, but instead of using a photo, we're going to actually be using video Luma grading for this. So we'll look into this channel, brighten it up. You see how it's revealing metamaterials inside the perlite glass, which is, well, the shades in there, but they're not actually energy of the glass. They're actually inside the glass separate. So we've separated the front and the back of the perlite inside the perlite glass there. Now we have to sort the colours out, put them back into correct channels because they've been flattened into one channel, brighten it up, and then we'll export this out. So it's video footage and I've slowed it down by ×6. So it was that one, and we have now got to this one. So there's still a lot of photons going on there, but it's a lot faster at the moment. But as you can see, I've paused it on a certain frame, and there's definitely some there. And the crystal ball is in my hand, so that's beaming off it. Pause it on there. Have a little bit closer look. So as you can see, it's revealing a little bit more light beams inside there. So let me show you what we can do now. Is go back in here, load it back up. We'll just go straight from the first frame. Now we're doing a similar procedure where we're highlighting obvious photons and darkening the ones in the background. This time we'll go reverse. Lower the red down. Sharpen it up. Contrast there. And we'll give this one an export. So it's putting all them channels what I've chopped up back into one channel as the data was in the originally caught by the camera. So from that one to this one, now the more prominent, still fast. So all we have to do is slow it down. There's just so much going on there, and even more when the crystal ball comes into shot and the light reflects from there. So as you see, we've paused it. There's the crystal ball there. of some light beams, the perlite glass, one there, an organic optic with an earpiece, photonic earpiece, photoautotroths. Look at them there. Look at that. Like a little insect light being there. Whoosh, another one there. Look at all them. Look at that one. He's got his hand up there. It's prokaryotic-ectodermic-nucletides. Look at that one, a little bird one with a beak. So there's 3 of them in there to make that photonic structure. But we'll continue that around. You see how the organic optics are looking over at the crystal ball. So, because the superlens is a 1-point perspective optic. So, look at that one. And it does not remain the same throughout. It's constantly polymorphing. Look at that. Did you just see what I just saw then? So it's not crazy. I mean, we'll end it after this. I'll just take a print screen of this. And we can zoom right in. We colour grade it down again, because there's a lot of different photons in there that are darker, and they could be lighter and separated from the other photons. But yeah, as you can see there. So yeah, we've gone from that to the slow motion one, to the the first Luma colour grading, and then the final one, where we completely reverse the dark and the brightness. Well, put them into their own channels. And that's how you do that. Thank you for watching.